Now is the time, Chloe, to start getting ready for this winter storm for tomorrow. So yes, this is it. We are looking ahead right now with winter storm alerts in effect, and you can see winter storm warnings for a large chunk of the area. Also, we have a huge ice potential for tomorrow. Ice storm warnings also in effect. Here's a closer look as you get ready for this particular storm, and you can see Chester, Lancaster, as well as Chesterfield counties will be under an ice storm warning throughout the overnight, all day tomorrow, as well as into early Monday. The winter storm warning is in anticipation of sleet as well as potential for freezing rain and snowfall. So here's a breakdown. Let's take a look at the weather headlines. So today we'll set the stage. You'll have some time to get some things done around your house. If you want to do so, also pick up a few extra items, some supplies, because you'll likely be shut in for tomorrow because it will be difficult to be out and about on the roadways. So we'll have chilly and cloudy conditions for today. Sunday, we'll have the snow and the wintry mix likely to start after midnight. And then for Monday, the system will be out of here. We'll have sunny skies, but we'll likely have that black ice the first part of your day. And some of you may still be in the dark depending on how we have this ice setting up with the event. Now here's the storm system. It's not here yet. The coast is clear, like I said, for today. It's mainly across the mid-south. It is going to dive through the southeast and continue to build in our direction overnight into the day tomorrow. So like I said, you have plenty of time for today. Satellite and radar shows that we'll stay dry for your Saturday to kick off the weekend, but it will be a cold afternoon. Take a look at the temperatures between now and dinner time, in the mid-40s for the middle of today, and then by dinner tonight we'll slide into the 30s, and then overnight freezing temperatures. That cold air is going to settle in, and you can see what's lurking off towards the south and west. This is the storm system that will be moving in. The purple shading here will likely move over the mountains with heavy snowfall, right? And then notice just across the Piedmont into South Carolina, we'll have this rain snow line setting up, and it's right there along the I-85 corridor. Most of you who are familiar with this area, you know you have that dreaded wintry mix. You want the snowfall, but it turns out to be more of the sleet and the freezing rain, which is highly problematic for this area. And notice the temperatures by tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. below freezing, and this will likely be a scenario that will have that freezing rain. The precip is coming down, and then it's going to freeze on contact. And the same goes for the afternoon, likely to be more of a wintry mix throughout the afternoon for the day tomorrow. Just not going to be cold enough throughout the atmospheric column. What I mean by that, if you think vertically from the cloud down to the ground, we'll have a little bit of warm air trying to penetrate, and just enough that it's not going to be cold enough to be all snow. So then it'll get down to the surface where we are and then refreeze. But there may be a brief window to flip back over to some snowfall for this particular event. So overall, the snow and sleet potential is going to be 1 to 3 inches over in Charlotte, and then back over the mountains, 6 to 12 inches will be the higher snowfall totals. And the potential for ice will be 1/4 to 1/2 inch. And this is going to be some damaging ice, but back over the mountains we'll have a light glaze. So 1/4 inch of ice will certainly make the icy roads. Some will be impassable. Outages will be out for days for more than 1/2 inch of ice, but drier and milder conditions by the middle of the week.